Discipline isn't about motivation. It's about war. He doesn't talk much. He doesn't show off. He doesn't wait for the perfect moment. Levi Ackerman just acts. He's not a superhero. He's not invincible. But he has something most people don't: unshakable discipline. And if you're tired of being stuck, tired of waiting, tired of feeling like you're capable of more, it's time you learned to think like him. Most people think they need motivation. They search for the perfect playlist, the perfect morning, the perfect vibe. But Levi? He moved through hell and still showed up. Discipline is doing what needs to be done, even when you don't feel like it. So how do you go from being reactive to relentless? Let's break down the code Levi lived by. Levi wasn't fearless. He was focused. He didn't act based on how he felt. He acted because he had to. Discipline begins when you stop negotiating with yourself. But focus isn't just about action. It's also about what you remove. Levi's life was clean, minimal, efficient. He removed anything that didn't serve the mission.
お前の部屋は地下室だ。また地下室ですか。当然だ。
A cluttered room leads to a cluttered mind. A distracted mind leads to failure. But even with focus and order, pain is inevitable. And that brings us to Levi's final rule. He lost his squad, his mentors, his friends, but he kept moving. Discipline isn't about avoiding suffering. It's about turning pain into purpose. And now, the question is, can you do the same? For the next 7 days, live like Levi. Wake up early, train hard, eliminate distractions, show up, no matter what. Comment "I'm in" if you accept the Levi challenge. You don't need permission. You don't need motivation. You need the mindset of the few.